Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple lip look and showing you two of my favorite lip liners. If you have a lip liner that's slightly darker than your lipstick, this will work for you. The lip liner being the darker and the lipstick being lighter really creates a look of bigger lips. I have two favorite lip liners because it was hard for me really to choose which one that I wanted to use for this look, but one is from Palladio and one is from Gabriel. The one from Gabriel called Berry. It's neutral and it pretty much goes with anything, and plus you can actually wear it just alone with maybe a good lip balm, and it'll stay on a really long time that way. Any lip liner really will stay on a long time, just like lipstick. If you put the lip liner on with lip balm, you'll notice that it turns it into a long wearing lipstick. I use lip balm because my lips are dry, but if your lips aren't dry, maybe you could try just lip liner and it'll be like a matte lipstick for you. This right here, I just wanted to show you the color. See how pretty that is? This is a great color and it's so soft, and yet it stays on. This is Palladio. You can find Palladio at Sally Beauty or online. This is called Rose and I've used it for a very long time and I love this color. It's a neutral, it's a little bit of a crooked line, sorry about that. The good things about these are they're more a little more neutral. Like this one here, the Palladio, is similar to the Gabriel, but it has a little more brown in it. So I have the most awesome lip balm. I have a problem with chronic dry lips. My lips will break out. They will become very chapped if I use flavorings sometimes in the lip balm. And this is an unscented lip balm. This is from Soothing Touch. It is a clean product, natural based, and I have had wonderful success with this lip balm. My lips have been much better since I have been using this. So I will start out with this, and I'm going to coat my lips super well. Next, I am going to use the Palladio in the rose color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line up. So depending on the shape of your lips, you will want to maybe adjust this. My lips are a little bit smaller on the top than on the bottom. I want to make them bigger on the top, but you would want to do maybe the opposite of what I'm doing if you have, a smaller lip on the bottom and you want to even them out, or you want to make the smaller one bigger. Depending on the shape of your lips, you might want to adjust this a certain way. This is how I do it for my lip shape. I'm going to color in the bow. I'm going to go up a little here again. So my lips are a little bit small here too. I might want to widen them just a little bit there. Then what I'm going to do on the bottom, see on the top I went a little over the lip line. On the bottom I'm just going to go on the lip line so that the top one looks maybe just a little bigger. I don't want it too much bigger because that'll look fake. If you want to go over the lip line and make your lips look bigger, at nighttime you can get by with that. During the day, maybe just a little over the lip line. If you do it any more than that, it might look unnatural. So I'm just going to fill in a little bit with the lip liner. And I'm going to blot. This is also long wearing. If you blot and then fill in again, it'll be even more long wearing. So as you can see, this would be a great lipstick. If you put the lip balm over it, it would look fine for you. But today I want to make my lips look a little bigger, so I'm going to be using this new lipstick that I got it in my subscription box from Vegan Cuts. I have a video on that I will link below. So this lipstick, since I got it in my subscription box, I've been using it like all the time. I love this lipstick. It's long wearing, moisturizing, natural based, but it performs just as good as any lipstick. This is a great lipstick. It's like a pink nude, and it's a little on the warm side. I'm going to go ahead and apply that. So this is a look you can actually do during the day. It is not too overdone and makes your lips look a little bit bigger. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.